Mountain pose, tadasana. Feet can be hip-width apart or big toes together to touch. Heels can be a little apart or together. Spread the toes wide. Feel your weight distribute evenly on the four corners of your feet. Root down through your heels. Feel your leg muscles engaged. Slightly tucking in the tailbone to create length and space in the spine. Pull in your lower belly on each exhale and activate your core. Roll your shoulders back and down, reach down through your fingertips. Feel the upper body engage and the heart space open, and lift through the crown of your head. Feel all your muscles activate. Feel this alignment and breathe. Like a mountain, fully grounded, yet rising above, manifesting downward and liberating upward currents through your chakras. Steady your breath.